We are in Crystal City, Texas, visiting the Crystal City Family Internment Camp in World War II. Because of fears of enemy agents in our country, thousands of Japanese Americans were moved away from the coast to internment camps. Crystal City Camp, converted from an existing migratory labor camp, was the largest internment facility in the United States and the only one built exclusively for families. The camp was dismantled and people sent to their home countries at the end of the war. It officially closed February 27, 1948, and the property transferred to the city and the school district. All that is left is the foundations. The materials that the buildings were made from were all torn down and used after the war for permanent homes. I have never heard of the internment camps in Texas, and there are 5 of them here, of which this was the largest in the United States. A very sad episode in the history of the United States.